You said good morning today?
You're like walking your fire. I'm like,
Good morning.
This one, this is my main concern. This one is okay. It's well dried, guys. When I say dried,
that's what I just said.
get your sweater. Hey guys, good morning guys. Good morning everyone. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing good. It's another beautiful day. The weather is nice and lovely. Abigail, will you say good morning to our friend?
Hi guys.
Hi guys, good morning. Yeah, it's another new week. I didn't get to vlog yesterday because we didn't vlog yesterday, but today we are starting our vlog another week. Yeah, it rained throughout yesterday. When I say rained, it rained throughout yesterday. Okay, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. If you are new to our channel, you are welcome to Sharewithlove TV. I'm walking happy girl to the bus stop. She's about to go to school again. Let's take you guys along. Oh. Why are you always saying about to get to bus stop? And you are. See, can you pause it? That's what she just said, guys. Can you pause it? She's shy. Okay. Let's pause it. Off they go. I'll see them at 3:20. Okay, let me go home. I need to go jump rope. I didn't work out yesterday. Good morning. Good morning, ma. Since the weather is so nice today, let me take advantage of the weather. Because yesterday, like, it rained all day. When I say all day, in the morning, when I took Abigail to the bus stop, it was raining. When she was coming back, it was still raining. In the evening, around 8 o'clock, it was still raining. Yesterday was rain all day. Okay, let me check on Alessia. Okay guys, I went home to go and grab my jump rope, okay, and I also woke up Alessia up. She was still sleeping, guys. Sometimes my instinct just tell me that this girl is still sleeping. Luckily I went back home. Okay, let me go and jump rope, then I'll walk around, then I'll see you guys later. I'm going to, there's this special place over there that I love to jump rope at, but that place is so wide and open. I'm walking down there, then I'll go and jump rope over there. Then I'll see you guys when I'm done with my workouts. Okay guys, I'm done with my workout, guys. Hi, how are you? Good morning. I'm done with my workout. Guess what, guys? I did my workout, my jump rope, live. I did it live and direct. Okay, shout out to every one of you that was on my live workout today. Thank you so much, guys. Shout out to the blind guy, the kids, and hi. Thank you so much. Bola Tips, thank you so much. Terry, thank you so much. Thank you everyone that joined the live stream, my live workout on my fitness channel. God bless you all. Oh, yeah, I'm on YouTube making a video.
Oh.
How is your brother? How is your brother doing?
Good.
Good. Good to see you guys.
Hi.
Ah, look at them. Ah, Alessia. Ah, long time I haven't seen you. Ah.
Let the door open.
I want to go and look at Alessia. Is here. And Jojo, say hi today.
Bye.
Hi. Ready for school?
Yeah.
Alessia, come on, greet my friends, then I'll go. Come on.
Alessia.
Why are you shy? Huh? Why are you shy? You said good morning today?
You're like walking your fire. I'm like,
Good morning.
Oh yeah, Eddie left.
Eddie already left? Okay, let me go and lock the door. You
That's
guys.
his name.
Okay.
My uncle's his name.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. You guys have a good day at school, okay? Bye. I love you. Whew. Let me go home. Let me go and freshen up. I'm sweaty, guys. I did almost 25 minutes of my workout, live workout. It was fun. I don't need to edit. Editing is a wahala. I was about to make a video. I said, you know what, let me just jump rope live instead of me doing a video then editing. Let me just do it live and direct, and I feel good. I'm sweating. Let me go home and shower up. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, I am back. I'm done taking shower. As you can see, I'm freshening up. Okay, I've done a lot. Okay, before I went to take my shower, I have a catfish that I needed to be I want to dry the catfish. Okay, I don't want to use it fresh, but I want to dry it. I went ahead. I'm drying my catfish, as you can see out there outside. I don't want to do it inside the house because the house will be smelly fish. Sometimes when when you dry fish inside the house, it will be smelly. Okay, now look at the catfish. So far it's almost getting there. I didn't show you guys when I do it. Okay, hold on, let me turn the camera. Okay, as you can see, this is the catfish. It's looking good. What I did was after I washed the catfish, before I put inside the oven right now, I used some red oil to rub the catfish first. Okay guys, go inside. I want to make a stew. I want to make a turkey stew. I'll see you guys when I want to make a video of a turkey stew. I'll see you guys later. Look at flies, hey, they like potato. Let me go inside. Okay guys, I'm about to make a video right now. Yes, I'm sitting behind the scene. Okay, this is my behind the scene, guys. My ring light is set, and my ingredients that I'm going to be using, they're all ready. I'll see you guys when I'm done cooking. Guess what I'm going to cook? Okay, if you can guess, leave it at the comment section. Okay. Oh wait, let me just show it to you guys. Okay, these are my ingredients I will be using, and this is my background of my video. Okay guys, let's get cooking. Let's cook. Okay, I'll see you guys when I'm almost ready. Okay guys, I am back again. I am done cooking. I finally done making my video. Okay, as you can see, I am done. And Abigail is back. Abigail, she's back and she's eating a turkey. Okay, guys, I made some rice. I made rice. Then this is my stew. Move the ring light closer, Abigail. Show them the stew.
Swan again, oh. Nobody knows tomorrow. I wish people know who go make up for life. Go make up for this day. Now those people they for just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life.
Let me show your bone. You already ate it. Okay, guys, I came outside to check my fish. Okay, my fish are ready, but unfortunately the head of fish did not survive. Okay, the head of the catfish did not make it. I put the head inside. Now I totally forgot that I have the head of catfish inside this grill. Now look at, guys, I burned the head of fish. Look at, the head of the catfish did not make it. Totally burnt. Did you see that, guys? But thank God the fish, thank God for the fish. Okay, the catfish, this is my main concern. This one is okay. It's well dried, guys. When I say dried, it's so dried. I love it. What I will just do, I will just go ahead and throw this one away. I'll throw this one away. Let me keep this one and let me cover it. I'm just going to take this one and put inside the bowl. What a loss. Head of catfish is lost. And I'm happy this one survived. It's so dry. Look at it, guys. So dried. Okay. I'm just gonna go throw it away. It's of no use. While I'm still at the backyard, let me go and pick. I think we have some ripe tomatoes, okay? And this is gonna be our last harvest of the year. This is gonna be the last harvest of the year. Let's see what we got. This is gonna be the last harvest. Yep. The last harvest. So let's pick some. Oh, I think they're all bad. Oh my goodness. We didn't pick it more earlier. They are overripe. You see? So sad. Oh my goodness. So sad. Some went bad. Oh. Total lost. This one is still good. This one is good. This one is good. This one is still good. I guess if you don't, take it earlier. Then we just, oh man, a lot went bad. There's a frog in there. Look at you guys. We have a visitor. Look at that frog. You can see that. That's the frog. Oh, you're the one that's eating our tomatoes. Are you the one that's eating our tomatoes? All these are all bad, guys. Guys, look at the okra. The okra are dried. I'll just allow all of them to get dried because it's too strong to eat. Look at this one. I'll allow them to dry so that we can use it to plant next year. You see this one? I'll just allow them to dry. Oh, airplane. Look at the frog. Where's the frog? It's still there. Yeah, it's right there. Look at the frog, guys. It's staring at me. It's right there. That one there. That's the frog. You see? I don't know if you guys can see. I need a stick to move. It's right there. Let me zoom. That's it, guys. Look at the frog. Okay, guys, that's it. You want to move in? It's gonna run. Let's see. Did he move?
Yeah.
Yeah, he did. Just
Hey,
leave it.
little buddy.
He said, I'm not your buddy. Uh-oh. Maybe. Okay, guys.
I heard an airplane. Is that Dad?
This is what I was able to get. The rest are all damaged.
And rotten.
Yeah, they're rotten. And then we're supposed to pick it up since like 2 or 3 days ago. We forgot. Okay, guys, I think this is going to be the end of today's vlog.
I want to do my slime video.
You want to make a slime video? Maybe weekend, okay? Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Yeah, on Saturday, okay? Or let me say on Friday when you come back from school, you can make your slime video. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I think I want to end the video right here. Thank you so much for the love, for the support. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a video. See you today.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Are you cooking fish?
Bye bye. Yes, and I burned the fish, the head of the fish.